Hey everyone. So in this video, we will be learning integer data type in Python. So let's start creating a file. It's a IPYNB file. Let's name it as data types. Let's make this as markdown cell and let's give it as integer. What are integers? Integers are whole number. That means numbers without decimals. Okay. So integers don't have decimals in them. Example can be 5, 10, -10, 0, and so on. In Python, integers belong to the data type called int. Okay. Let's see some examples. With a equal to 10, b equal to -5. So 10 -5, these are all integer. Even 0 is also an integer. If we print these values, it will be, let's see, and if we print its type, it will be int. Okay. So whenever Python sees a whole number, it automatically treats it as an integer. Okay. Integers can be positive, negative, or zero, like we saw in the example. All of them are valid integers. One important point in Python, integers have no size limit. Like in many languages, there is a size limit for what amount of value can be stored in an int variable. But in Python, we can store even very large values. If you see, we can store very large values and Python will be able to process it. So it's a valid integer. Python can handle it very easily. There are certain operations which we can do on integers. Those are arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication. Let's see the example. If we print addition of two integers, let's see some simple example for subtraction, for multiplication, 4 into 6. How do we do the multiplication? By asterisk sign. So we get 24. Let's see division. So if we divide 10 by 3, we will get 3.33 and so on. Okay. Let's see something called as floor division. So this is division. Let's see floor division. So we have 10 double slash and 3. So floor division is done by double slashes, and if we execute it, output is 3 because it will remove the decimal part. Okay. So this is floor division by double slash. Let's see the modulus operator. So it will give the remainder. So if we apply 10 modulus operator 3, output will be 1. Why? Because when 10 divided by 3, the remainder is 1. So modulus operator will return the remainder as output. How do we do the power? So let's see. And if we want to find 2 to the power 3, what will happen? We have to use double asterisk and the output will be 8 because 2 to the power 3 is 8. 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8. So power is handled by double asterisk. Now let's see type conversion. You can convert other data types to integer using int function. Let's see. Let's say we have a variable a. We write int and we have a string. Let's say we have 10. 10 is in a string because it is surrounded by double quotes. So it is a string. If we pass it into int function, it will be converted to a integer. So if we see 20, it's 10. And if we print its type, it will be int. So we are able to convert this string into integer. Similarly, we can convert float into integer. It will remove the decimal part. It will not round it up. It will remove the decimal part. So let's see. Int 3.9. So if we round it up, 3.9 will be 4. But int function will not round it up. It will remove the decimal part. So output will be 3. Let's print it out. 3. It has removed the decimal part. But can int function convert any string to integer? No, it cannot. So if we do int, let's say hello, what will happen? We get an error because this is actually not an integer, right? This is a string. So we are getting error here. Okay. Let me share one interesting fact about booleans. So booleans are actually integers in Python. So if we print, let's say int, and in the parenthesis we give a boolean that is true. Guess what will be the output? 1, right? Int function has converted this boolean true to 1, right? Let's see about false. 0. Cool, right? Now it's practice time for integer data type. So question number 1 is store your age as an integer and print it. Add two integers. Find remainder of 47 divided by 5. Convert 9.8 to integer. Print 2 raised to the power 10. And we have to find out the output of these expressions. 16 double slash 3, 10 double slash 3, 15 modulus 4. Solve these questions and let me know in the comment section if you feel any difficulty or you want me to reiterate any of the concepts. Thanks for watching. In the next video, we will be discussing about float data type.